Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to turn on and turn off disappearing messages in WhatsApp chat. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, go to the chat or conversation you want to turn on or off disappearing message for and tap on the chat name at the top, and here scroll down, tap on disappearing message, and here we can see this increases your privacy and can improve storage on your device. New messages disappear for everyone after the selected duration. Anyone can keep or unkeep messages in the chat. Group admins can limit this. People may find other ways to save messages. So all you have to do is just tap on OK and select a message timer. For example, I want to delete all message for the entire conversation after 24 hours. So here I'm selecting 24 hours, and after 24 hours all of chats and messages will be automatically deleted after 24 hours. And to turn off disappearing message, again go to the chat, tap on the chat name and tap on disappearing message and just tap on off. So this is how we can control disappearing message feature in WhatsApp. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.